Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to go for a little walk this afternoon, and look what I found. There's dolphins! Guys, I cannot believe. I was walking along here on West Cliff Drive, and all of a sudden I just spotted these dolphins. It was actually really amazing to see them. But they were out there in the distance, a little too far to be seen very well on camera. But anyway, at least I got to share. And it was such a beautiful day today, so I'm glad I could bring you guys along. So I'm sure you guys have heard that we had some really bad storms here in Santa Cruz recently. And with all of the rain that we had and the high winds, it just really tore up the shoreline. So a lot of the areas where I've gone walking before have actually caved away. And as you can see, that is a steep drop off, straight down the cliff. So they've got warning signs. Actually, I think this warning sign has been here even since before the sidewalk caved away. But yeah, you have to be very careful. Just look at that. And I'm really not sure what that is over there, but it's some sort of blowhole. So I decided to stand and watch for a few minutes. Pretty interesting. So as I was walking along, I actually ran into this guy that had an easel set up, and he was actually painting the scene of the ocean. So I talked to him for a few minutes, and yeah, I thought I would share some of his work with you guys. It's gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, it's stunning. Just beautiful. So guys, that's amazing. Come down to West Cliff Drive and David Way. Sometimes he's down here and he's selling his art. And his name is Christian. That's him sitting over there on the other side of the fence, and he was kind enough to take a photo next to one of his paintings. Alright, that was actually an amazing walk. But I thought I would just share with you guys a little bit of the neighborhood here in Santa Cruz. Leaving West Cliff Drive and headed back towards Mission Street. I think we're on Fair. Let me see what this street is called. Fair Avenue. So yeah, this is Fair Avenue and we're headed up to Mission Street. So I just thought I would show you guys a little bit of the view, a little bit of the neighborhoods. I've got a few potholes. We're crossing Delaware Avenue. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little drive. There's usually a lot of traffic on Mission Street around this time of day, especially today since it's Sunday, so there may be a lot of traffic. I don't know if I'll actually show Mission Street very much because we may just end up being stuck in traffic. But what I might do is put it on a time lapse as I go through Mission Street. That's a cool old truck. Alright, we're going to turn on Mission Street. Farrell's Donuts. Love their purple building. This is like the main street that goes through Santa Cruz, through the west side, all the way to River Street and into downtown. It kind of branches off there. But as you can see, on a Sunday afternoon, we've got lots of traffic because a lot of people will come into Santa Cruz to spend the weekend, to go to the beach, to cool off. It's actually about 66 degrees here today, but I'm sweating. I'm actually sweating after that walk. We are moving right along, actually. Oh, check out this artwork, this mural. I've been meaning to come over here and walk along here and just show you guys some of this. There's whales. I think there's some sharks. A sea anemone near the end. Once the light turns green, you guys can see that. And we're actually about 1.5 miles from the boardwalk. If you took a right on this next street, you would be at the Santa Cruz boardwalk. We've got Mission Street Barbecue over there. Alright, we're going to move on. I love this one on the end, the sea anemone. I don't know if you guys saw it very well, but yeah. We've got Taco Bell and McDonald's. Thought it would just be kind of fun to give you guys a little drive through part of Santa Cruz for those of you interested in coming to visit. And there's a taqueria right there. And there's a new-ish Mexican restaurant, Copal. It has Oaxacan cuisine. I actually used to live in Oaxaca when I was a kid. My parents were missionaries, and I'm gonna have to try that place out and see how authentic it is, because I really miss the Oaxacan, the black mole tamales with chicken, and I'm wondering if they have that there. So this is that restaurant. It's called Copal. We've got Emily's Bakery on the corner, very famous bakery, I guess, from what I hear. I haven't actually been in there yet. Shame on me. I've been in Santa Cruz for about 6 years, I guess. But yeah. As you know, I love to travel though. So we've got some road trips coming up. There's actually, this may be an accident up here. I'm gonna have to pull over. So now I'm doing voice over because as I was pulling into the other lane, my phone died. But thank you guys for watching. These are just a few photos I took today, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all again in the next video.